Hello students, welcome to the accounts class. Today we will move to the next topic of dissolution of partnership, that is treatment of goodwill at the time of dissolution. How to treat goodwill at the time of dissolution, and we will also see one illustration which will cover the same topic. So at the time of dissolution of firm, the goodwill is treated in different manner according to situations. So situation 1 may be when goodwill is appearing in the balance sheet. When goodwill is appearing in the balance sheet, then it is closed by creating goodwill account and debiting realization account. Because it is appearing in the books, so you have to credit and transfer it to the realization account. If the goodwill is sold for cash, then cash or bank is debited and realization account is credited, as you know in any other assets. If the goodwill is taken over by any partner, concerned partner capital account is debited and realization account is credited with the agreed value. So these are the three situations under situation 1. So what will be the journal entries you can see there? That for realization of goodwill in cash, cash bank account debit to realization account. For goodwill taken over by the partner, partner capital account to realization account. For realization, for closing goodwill account, it will be realization account debit to goodwill account. What is the book value? Again, for realization of goodwill in cash, cash or bank account debit to realization account. And for goodwill taken over by the partner, partner's capital account debit to realization account, that will be the entry. And for realization of nothing in respect of goodwill, then there will be no entry. Again, situation 2 may be when goodwill is not appearing in the balance sheet. In this case, if any amount is realized by selling the goodwill of the firm, it is to be debited in cash bank account and credited to realization account. It will be treated as windfall gain. If any partner is ready to pay any amount in respect of goodwill of the firm, concerned partner's capital account is debited and realization account is credited. Again, what may be the journal entries? You can see for realization of goodwill in cash, cash bank account debit to realization account, and for goodwill taken by the partner, partner's capital account will be debited according to agreed value, and to realization account will be credited. And for realization nothing in respect of goodwill, there will be no entry. Let's see one illustration which covers the same topic. So ABC are partners in firm sharing profits and losses in 3 is to 2 is to 1. They decided to dissolve the partnership business as on 31st December 2015 following in the balance sheet on the date of dissolution. So the balance sheet is given and the following assets were realized in cash: machinery 22,000, 50% of the stock at rupees 3,500. Debtors were collected at 15% less than their book value. Goodwill could not be realized and remaining 50% of the stock was taken over by A at 3,200. Furniture was taken over by B at 2,400. Realization expenses were 300. So let's see how to solve this one. So first we will make the realization account in which we will transfer all the assets and liabilities. So goodwill at book value is transferred, machinery, furniture is transferred at book value, stock was transferred at book value, and debtors were transferred at book value. Again, in credit side, sundry creditors will be transferred, bank overdraft will not be transferred, and for the assets realized, now assets realized where, so whatever assets are realized we will transfer that in realization accounts, credit by saying by bank. Assets realized where, machinery for 22,000, stock 50% of stock at rupees 3,500, and debtors were collected of 15% less. So adding up all this we will get 30,600. Now bank account we will have to make, and here when sundry creditors will be paid, bank account will be debited and expenses of realization will be debited to realization account. Again we will see in bank account when payment to creditors will be transferred to credit and realization expenses will be transferred to credit, and realization worth rupees 30,600 were made and C has taken over. So 350 will go to him, and in this way we will get the balance of bank and it will be transferred to the partner's capital. Again we will see partner's capital, how will it be made. So by balance BD we will transfer, and whoever is paying 350 will be transferred to his capital account, and relation will be debited two times, one for the profit and another for the amount, the assets taken over or the liabilities taken over, that will be transferred respectively in debit in credit. So this is the sum related to treatment of goodwill. Next day I will end this chapter, so go through this and try to solve some sums from your book. Thank you.